So I'm back again. Front suspension. The other one is ready. You have seen it. Now this one I'm going to do too. I hope it will be going a little bit faster than the other one. So, okay. Clean everything up. This one is not installed properly. Don't worry about it. So, first of all, that's the one I need. I cleaned it out, yes. A little bit oil inside. A little bit grease inside. So you can get it next time out of each other. Then, no, the spring is falling out. That's not what I want. Then we have, this one is falling out too. That's not what I want. This one, I want to install it here on the pipe. A little bit more force. Remember, when that clips to each other and your skin is between it, you're going to say, "Ai." Ai. I told you. Then put this inside. And it's not falling out. It is, there it is. Feel with your finger. Then you put this in. Why, I don't know. This one is only to give it a little bit support. It's not tied up yet. So, okay, okie dokie. Let me explain. Down, up, supporting ring. Yes, hop, hop, hop. That's all what you need. Give it some grease. Thank you. Put it in, slide. Oh, I'm missing a part. Where is the part? I told you, you have to use this one. Put it in. It's falling down. That's fine. Then I want to install the. Oh, let me explain something. The ring has a top and a downside. Oh, everything is dirty because the carpet is old. I have to work on the new carpet next time. So, the oil seal has a top and a down. Inside is the smallest one, outside is the biggest one, and you see almost always a spring at top. So, remember how the old one is getting out and the new one is getting in, and there are two edges to press the oil down. That is how it is to be installed. So remember to do it good, right? Then, so, like that, fertig, almost. I don't think you see me working yet. Oh, let's do it. So, okay. Don't worry, I'll be there. Special circlip. Grease it with ball bearing grease, something like that. Wheel hub grease. I don't care how you call it. So, and I hope we can put it in place. I don't think so at the moment because the oil seal is not far enough going down. Let me check what is going to happen. Yes, it's not installed, but the circlip is on its place, and now I'm going to use some force. A steel pipe. always fun to use force. You check if the ends of the circlips are okay. Yes, they are fine. Super. Give it some grease here. Also fine. There's the dust cap, and I prefer to install them always brand new. So that one looks nice. Take the bolts out, they don't use any longer. I'm not ready yet. You think so, but it's not true. I'm not ready. So, always use a new washer, copper washer. Also give it some grease. I want to install those front suspensions because I want to work on the frame and I need the front tire inside the frame. So, almost finished? No, I'm not finished. First you clean off the mess and the dirt. So, there is no oil inside. Oil pour las. Yes, I will replace the camera for you. One moment please. Yes, I know I'm not handsome. So. So, complete down. Yes, I told you earlier I need 160 cc oil. That is more than Honda wants us to use, but I don't care. 100 cc of oil. And 160 cc of ATF transmission fluid. Smells like hell. Now we have seen it. Remember, install the washer, install the right spring on top of it. The O-ring I'm using is the same O-ring that's installed here, not there and there, only that one. I use some grease because the thread is very fine. And I want to protect the O-ring. There, vieze bende. I have to get the cloth. Moment please. Shit. Ja, tuurlijk. Sorry, I'm coming back now. I'm there, almost, fine. I want to clean up my hands. I'm doing this the same tools you have at home. Don't use a lot of force. Let the tools and the part do its job by itself. You're only guiding the material. And remember, you don't have to kill an elephant with it, so this is fine. Now, also check this spring, and remember the oil has to go down, so it takes a little time. I can hear the oil going. It's almost at the end. It works very fine. Wow, yes, it looks brand new. This part is new, it's imitation, original. That's spray paint by Motip. For the Dutch people in Holland, they know Motip. Also Belgium and Germany, they know Motip too. And I use new parts there. And that is what you get. And so this one and the other one is now ready. I'm going to install that in a frame, and I will pick up you later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.